Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. For that we want to go to our settings, and now we want to go to security and privacy, and here we want to go to lock screen, and now we want to choose a fingerprint. And we first have to enter our current SIM pin to verify that it's us. Fingerprints, a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself and apps. Continue. Scan your fingerprint, place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. The sensor is on the side key on the right side of your phone. Alright, so it's the power on and off button here. So I'll place my finger there and then lift it up as the percentage goes up. We also have to change the position of our phone, obviously, to get every part of our finger, and now we're done. Fingerprint added, add another, no, we say we're done, and now we have our fingerprint one here. So you can now say add fingerprint or check added fingerprints. Fingerprint to unlock, fingerprint always on, use to sign into websites, or use for Samsung account verification. You can turn that on as well. We'll go ahead now, lock our phone, and then I'll just place my finger here on the side, and then phone will be unlocked. So that's how you can set up your fingerprint to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.